Hi everyone. In today's video, we will learn one of the important topic of audit of banks. Okay, this is one of the important topic of CA final audit. In this, first we will learn what are the checklist or points that are to be covered in management representation regarding contingent liabilities. Okay, so auditors should obtain representation from management regarding contingent liabilities contingent liabilities are properly identified and shown in books of accounts. Okay, so we'll see one by one points. What are the points or checklist to be covered? Okay, first one is all off balance sheet transactions have been accounted in books of accounts and when such transaction has taken place. Okay, first management has to confirm that all the off balance sheet item or transactions has been accounted in the books of accounts properly, and when such transaction has taken place, that also mentioned properly. Okay, now coming to second thing, all off balance sheet transactions have been entered into after following a due procedures laid down. Okay, जो भी procedures है contingent liability के लिए और all off balance sheet items के लिए, those transactions have been entered into books of accounts after following a due those transactions. Okay, जो कंटिजेंट लायबिलिटी का ट्रांजैक्शन है वो आफ्टर ड्यू प्रोसीजर फॉलो करने के बाद ही वो ट्रांजैक्शन में एंटर हुआ है या नहीं, वो वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा एंड मैनेजमेंट हैज टू कंफर्म रिगार्डिंग दैट. नाउ थर्ड थिंग इज all off balance sheet transactions are supported by a proper supporting document. Okay, all off balance sheet items should have some audit evidence or should have some supporting document to support those numbers or support that transaction. All year-end contingent liabilities have been disclosed. Management has to confirm that all the contingent liabilities has been disclosed in the financial statement and auditor has a knowledge regarding that. Okay. And fifth one is disclosed contingent liabilities don't include any crystallized liabilities which are of nature of loss or expense and which require creation of provision or adjustment in financial statements. Okay. So management has confirmed that they have disclosed the contingent liabilities. Now management has to confirm that those contingent liabilities does not include any crystallized liabilities which are in the nature of loss or expense. If they are in the nature of loss or expense, the provision or adjustment to be made in financial statements. Okay, so management confirm that contingent liabilities does not contain any of such liabilities for which provision or adjustment in financial statement is needed. Now coming to last thing, estimated amount of financial effect of contingent liabilities are based on the best estimate in terms of ES 29, including consideration of possibility of any reimbursement. Okay, so management has to confirm that any estimation made for contingent liabilities that are included in the financial statements and which have a financial effect on the financial statements of the company, those estimate has been calculated as per AS 29. Okay, so these are the main important points or checklist regarding contingent liabilities that should be included in management representation letter, and management has to confirm and has to provide their opinion regarding this. Okay, this was one of the important question. You may expect a question around this. Okay, so prepare accordingly and all the best for your exams. Thank you.